Hi, this is Danica and I will be talking about document analysis. First, we need to know what document analysis is. Then from there, we will extract why is it done by citing some advantages and concerns that we need to be aware of as researchers, then ending it with types. As a definition, document analysis, as mentioned by Bowen in 2009, it is an interpretation of documents to give them voice and meaning in relation to a certain evaluation of subject. In addition, document analysis is an essential element of most triangulation methods. Also stated by Bowen in 2009, the purpose of triangulating is to provide convergence of evidence that ensures credibility. In addition, combining qualitative and quantitative sometimes includes document analysis, which is what we call mixed methods. Now that you know the definition, let's have the advantages of using document analysis. The first one, it is an efficient way of gathering data. It is cost efficient and time efficient than making own research experiments. A common thing which come in varieties that makes it practical. Two, non-reactive data sources, meaning that they can be read and reviewed multiple times and remain unchanged by the researcher's influence or the research process itself. Third, it provides background information and broad coverage of data and are therefore helpful in contextualizing one's research within its field. Fourth, point questions that need to be asked or observed, making the use of document analysis a way to ensure your research is critical and comprehensive. Fifth, and the last one, can be used in many different fields as your primary or a sport. Now that you know the advantages, let's go to the concerns. This, we need to be reminded of. Documents are not created with data research agendas and therefore require some investigative skills. Some documents in here may only provide a small amount of useful data and are sometimes none at all. Other documents may be incomplete or their data may be inaccurate or inconsistent. Two, some documents may not be available or easily accessible. For this reason, it is important to evaluate the quality of your documents and to be prepared to encounter some challenges or gaps when employing document analysis. Another concern to be aware of before beginning document analysis and to keep in mind during is the potential presence of biases, both in the document and from the researcher. Bowen and O'Leary in 2009 2014 respectively state that it is important to thoroughly evaluate and investigate the subjectivity of documents and your understanding of their data in order to preserve the credibility of your research. Now that you know the concerns, let's move on to the last part, which are the types. You have the first one, content analysis. It is a social survey. It's like that, but uses a sample of images rather than people, or sometimes a document itself. It is a technique for gathering and analyzing content of text. Semiotics, the second one, is a science that studies the life of science in society. It is the opposite of positivist method of content analysis. It is used a lot in media analysis. Third, discourse analysis. This is concerned with the production of meaning through text and talk. Interpretative analysis. This aim to capture hidden meaning and ambiguity. It looks how messages are encoded, latent, or hidden. Conversation analysis. This is concerned with the underlying structures of talk in interaction and with the achievement of it. And the last one, grounded theory. This is inductive, interpretative, and can be social constructionalist. The central focus is on inductively generating novel theoretical ideas or hypotheses from the data. That's it for document analysis. Now I have here references.